Hello, class. Today is Monday, September 5th, 2021. Let's continue with math. We're going to learn about word problems again. Word problems. So on page 71, we're going to take a look at word problems. So last time we did this first word problem about population of Thailand. This time, we're going to take a look at number 2 on page 71. So we're going to take a look at the word problem. We're going to find out how do we solve the word problem, what does the word problem mean, and how do we find the answer, how do we write the number sentence. Okay, so it says read carefully and answer questions 1 to 5 and solve for the answer in questions 6 to 7. Let me zoom in. All right. Farm Women Group Association manufactures salted eggs. All right. Manufacture means to make. All right. So this Farm Women Group Association makes salted eggs, right? Salted eggs, all right? Do we know salted eggs? Salted eggs. Let me underline that. Salted eggs. Salted eggs. All right, salted eggs. And sells them at an OTOP center. Yesterday's sales earned the group 46,300 baht, right? Yesterday's sales earned the group 46,300 baht. So that's the first number we see already. I should be highlighting this number, right? 46,300 baht. How much more money is needed to reach 100,000 baht in total, right? Let me highlight the second number, 100,000 baht, right? Here it says, how much more money, right? How much more money is needed to reach 100,000 baht in total, right? So they have 46,300 baht already, but their goal is 100,000 baht. What is the story of this word problem? So this group sells salted eggs. They want to reach a goal of 100,000 baht, right? And they earned already 46,300 baht. Okay, so basically, let me erase what we're supposed to see. Hold up 1 second. Basically, we're going to write this group sells salted eggs. So we're going to write here. What is the story? Farm Women Group Association manufactures salted eggs and sells them at an OTOP top center. All right, so basically it's the first line. Farm Women Group Association manufactures salted eggs and sells them at an OTOP center. All right. How much money did the group earn from yesterday's sale? Yesterday's sales earned the group 46,300 baht. All right, so we're going to write that. They earned 46,300 baht. There we go. How much money is needed to reach in total? Right? So, how much money is needed to reach in total? I think this question is asking a little bit wrong. They want to say, what is the goal, right? What is the goal? We can translate this as, what is their total goal, right? What is their total goal, right? So their goal is they want to reach 100,000 baht in total. So we're going to write 100,000 baht, right? Right? It's the same. How much money is needed to reach in total, right? So you can phrase that as, what is their total goal? What is their total amount of baht they want to reach? And they said they want to have a total of 100,000 baht. All right. Number 4, what does the problem ask us to solve, right? What does it ask us to solve? So we have 46,300 baht, but they want to reach a total of 100,000 baht. So here I highlighted how much more money is needed to reach 100,000 baht in total. So we're going to write that down. How much more money is needed to reach 100,000 baht in total? All right, so here we can see a chart that shows us what operation is needed to solve the problem, right? What operation? When we see this word operation, let me underline it. Operation, right? Operation means plus, minus. What do we do? Divide, times, right? What do we do? Do we do plus, minus, divide, times? Addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. What operation is needed to solve the problem? So how do we find this, right? We know 46,000, but how do we find this part? What do we have to do? We have to do subtraction, right? 100,000 minus 46,000, and we get this part right here. So we're going to write subtraction. All right? So what operation is needed? So what do we need to do, right? We can think of this as, what do we need to do, right? What do we need to use, right? What do we need to use? What do we need to do, right? What operation is needed to solve the problem, right? Make sure we know operation, right? Plus, minus, divide, times, right? We can think about it like that. What operation is needed to solve the problem? What do we need to use? So number 6 and 7, we're going to solve the problem, okay? Number 6, how much more money is needed? Number sentence, right? We did earlier. We're going to use the operation. We're going to show everything together. We're going to do 100,000 minus 46,300. Right? That's about it. So the answer, how do we solve the answer? We're going to do 100,000 minus 46,300. All right, let me get a fresh sheet of paper here. We're going to do 100,000 minus 46,300. Okay, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0 again. So this part, 0 minus 3 is not possible. We're going to borrow from here. This becomes a 10. This becomes a 9. This becomes a 9. All right, 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5, right? So we end up getting 53,700, right? 53,700. So we're going to write the group has to earn 53,700 baht more to reach 100,000 baht in total. Okay. All right. What is the sum of yesterday's sales and additional earnings, right? What is the sum, right? Sum, when we see this word sum, what is the sum? Sum. Let me write that down. Sum. Remember we learned sum. Sum is always plus, addition. So our number sentence should be the sum of yesterday's sales, and here is additional earnings. So we're going to add those two together, right? 46,300 plus 53,700, right? 46,300 plus 53,700 is equal to, right? We already know this missing part is 53,700. So when we add them together, we end up getting 100,000. So we're going to write 100,000 baht. Okay? So that's how we solve this question number 2 on page 71. Give you guys a minute to write it down. All right, let's go to page 72. All right, we're going to take a look at little diagrams, and then we're going to write number sentences and the answer, right? These are going to be shorter questions, and we're not going to have to answer like before. Okay, on page 72. Page 72. write the number sentence and solve each problem, right? Write the number sentence and solve each problem. So we're going to write the number sentence. Let me zoom in on number 3. Write the number sentence and solve each problem. So this first question, the house cost 990,000 baht. The land costs 375,000 baht. Right? This is the house cost. This is the land cost, right? Let me highlight it differently. This one's going to be green. This one's going to be blue, right? 2 different ones, right? How much do the house and the land cost all together, right? When we see this word all together, we're going to think of plus, right? Addition, right? You're going to add everything together, all together, total, right? Total, right? Plus total, right? We'll think of that all together as total. Number sentence, right? So if I said plus already, the total, we're going to add everything together. We're going to add 990,000 baht plus 375,000 baht. All right, let's write it down. 990,000 baht. Oh, sorry. We don't need to write the baht. It's a number sentence. $990,000 plus 375,000 is equal to. So we're going to find the answer. All right, let me erase this. 990,000 plus 375,000. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5. 9 plus 7, 16. Carry over the 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Carry over the 1. We end up getting 1,365,000. So we're going to write the answer as the house and the land cost 1,365,000 baht. All together. All right, we'll just take the part. The house and the land cost 1,365,000 baht all together. Number 2. There were 2,870,000 visitors last year. The number of visitors shrinks by 380,000 this year. All right, let's take a look at this word. Shrinks, right? Shrinks. Shrinks means gets smaller, right? Gets smaller, shrinks, right? You're getting smaller, right? So when we think about shrinks, we can think of minus, right? Minus, okay? How many visitors are there this year, right? So we want to find out how many visitors if it shrinks by 380,000. So we can automatically know it's minus. We're going to take this big number up here. We're going to subtract it from here. How many visitors are there this year? So we're going to write this down. 2,870,000 minus 380,000 is equal to, all right? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna subtract. So let's solve this problem on another page. Actually, I'm gonna ask you guys to do this for homework to solve the problem. You have the number sentence. So number 2 is for homework. I'm gonna help you out with writing the answer a bit. So we're going to write there are blank visitors this year, right? There are blank visitors this year, right? So we're gonna subtract, right, last year, and it shrinks by 380,000. So that's how we find this year, right? Last year and this year. So we're going to write this year, there are blank visitors. So that's what you want to solve for homework. I want you to solve this number sentence. And then you're going to fill in the blank there. Number 3, last year, the village's road maintenance, right? To fix, right? Maintenance is to fix. Cost was 2,764,000 baht, right? Maintenance, right? To fix. Was 2,764,000 baht. This year's road repair costs 287,000 baht. What is the total, right? Let me highlight this. Total road maintenance cost over the 2 years. What is the total road maintenance cost over the 2 years, right? So last year was 2,764,000 baht. This year was 287,000 baht, right? So to make this simple, we're gonna say last year was 2,764,000 baht, right? This year was 287,000 baht. So it's saying, what is the total, right? Total, right, would equal, we would say plus, right? Total is plus using addition. So we're gonna add these two together, right? So our number sentence would be 2,764,000 plus 287,000. So we're going to write, I'm going to help you write this out. The total road maintenance cost over the 2 years is, so over the 2 years is blank baht. We're going to write blank baht, right? You're going to fill this in for homework, right? Number 3 for homework, right? You're going to solve this, and you're going to write the answer in here. All right, number 4. The number of passengers traveling through Suvarnabhumi Airport was 11,403,617. International flight passengers accounted for 9,457,436. The rest were domestic flight passengers. How many domestic flight passengers were there? All right, 2 words I want you guys to know. International and domestic, right? International or domestic, right? International. When we think about international flights, international flights, domestic flights. International flights, for example, international flights is going to another country, right? Domestic, staying in the same country, right? So international, let me give you an example of international, right? International, let me add a page, international. If I go Bangkok to, let me give an example. Bangkok to, let's say Bangkok to Japan, right? Bangkok to Japan, right? This would be an international flight. All right, so what if I say Bangkok to Chiang Mai, right? This would be a domestic flight, right? Bangkok to Japan would be an international flight. Bangkok to Chiang Mai, this would be a domestic flight, right? Another example, Bangkok to Ubon, right? Right, Bangkok to Ubon, also a domestic flight. Bangkok to New York. That would be also an international flight, okay? So we have to know these differences, all right? Domestic, in the country, international flight, outside the country, same country, okay? So let's do the number sentence here. So the number of passengers, total passengers were 11 million. We can draw this out if it helps us. Draw this out if it helps us. All right, we have this. Let me draw a square. Right, total here is 11,403,617, right? Total, right? Total. All right, next part, we're going to draw international, right? International was 9,457,436. International is 9 million. Let me erase that. 9,457,436, right? So, what is this part over here? All right, what is this part over here? All right, so this part is international. This part is domestic. All right, so what do we have to do? We have to minus, right? We have to minus to find out this part over here, right? We have to minus. So this part's 9,457,436. We don't know what's here. So this is the total. So we have to minus, subtract to find our answer. So we're going to write 11,403,617 minus 9,457,436. So we're going to write there were blank domestic passengers we can write domestic flight passengers, right? Because that's what it says here, domestic flight passengers. Let me erase that for a bit. Let me fix that, domestic flight passengers. There we go. There were blank domestic flight passengers. So you're going to write your answer here. This is also for homework. Let me highlight it. All right, number 4. All right. So number 2, 3, and 4 finished for homework. You're going to fill in the blank for the answer. You're just going to solve the number sentence, solve the number sentence, solve the number sentence, and you're going to write it in. Okay. All right. Have a good day. I hope you guys enjoy yourselves. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll check over the answers.